going to make the best violet in the world. I believe you'll do your best. We're going to use 4 colors of clay: violet, orange, pink, and white. Let's start with a bottle. Take a piece of violet clay and roll one big ball. Then roll it into a cylinder with your hands. And make a cut with a sculpting tool. Then make a mouth with a pencil. Super! Come on, the body is done. Now make some cheeks. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 2 little balls. Flatten them with your finger. Super! Come on, the cheeks are done. Let's model a tongue. Take a piece of pink clay and roll 1 little ball. Then roll it into a carrot shape with your fingers. And roll a spindle shape with your fingers. Fold it with your fingers. And bend it with your fingers. Then bend it with your fingers. Awesome job! The tongue is done. Let's make some teeth. Take a piece of white clay and roll 2 tiny balls. Then roll them into cones with your fingers. Hooray! The teeth are done. Model some legs. Take a piece of violet clay and roll 4 mid-sized balls. Then roll them into carrot shapes with your fingers. And press them with your finger. Awesome job! The legs are done. Let's make some spots. Take a piece of orange clay and roll 27 little balls. Flatten them with your finger. Hooray! The spots are done. It wasn't so difficult. Now your violet will make everyone smile.
I was dreaming of being in your collection. Which of my best friends do you think wants to be in it too?